Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is, what did I say a minute ago? 8-year follow-up on a guy my age with a hairline repair that we did and a case of hair grade, right?
Yes, sir.
So he's a guy that has a prominent role in our government who came in with this hairline 8 years ago. And he'd gotten done someplace else, and it was just kind of sparse. And so he's got awesome hair work. I mean, it's like willow trees. I mean, it just covers everything. He wears it kind of poofy.
He likes it up.
Yeah. And so here he is at 2 years, and he looks good. And at that point, he started asking for more hair. And I didn't know what to do. But if you ask long enough, we'll eventually find a place to put it. Yeah. And so here he is at 2 years, and man, he looks as good at 8 years. Yeah. So about 3 or 4 weeks ago, now at 8 years out, he was able to talk you and me into doing 350 FUEs. And there were a couple of spots behind where we worked before that he needed a little tune-up. But really, 13 months from now, nobody's ever going to know he had it done, except for him with a magnifying mirror.
Yeah, but it'll make him happy.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. And we didn't do anything stupid. We didn't lower his hairline or...
He did ask.
Yeah.
He did ask. He said, why don't you do 500? I was like, where am I going to put it? He's like, you can always lower my hairline. I said, you look perfect like that.
Yeah.
And he does look really, really good.
And then when he came back on day 6 for his FUE donor site check, he said, do I have enough hair to do a big strip case if I decide I need one? And I was like, we can't talk anybody else into doing a strip, and here's a guy with more hair than Carter has liver pills, and he wants to do a big strip case. Anyhow, this is an example of a hairline repair that's held up with time, and a guy my age that's got some hair grade. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.